Hi guys, I'm Mackie Messer, but you can call me Mackie, and welcome to my forge. Today on my anvil here I will forge something for my kids because they have birthdays soon. And they are both Zodiac sign line, so I thought I forged the Zodiac sign line. Yeah, anyway, let's plan it and then forge it. Let's see what happens. So to stick with my plan to use exclusively recycled materials, I found these two pieces of junk. I just cut them. They are almost the same length now. So let's work with them. Here we go, that was quite easy. I didn't thought that my new tools work that good, but it worked. So I'm done. It was quite a good exercise to make two things that are similar but not exactly similar. Yeah, you see, they look a bit different, but they are still the same symbol. So yeah. Anyway, I will make a little montage in the end like always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao and bye bye.